can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Avalanche. Avalanche is up 9.7% over the last 1 week, up 9.7% over the last 1 month, and Avalanche is down 47% over the last 1 year. We're seeing signs of life in the altcoin market. Altcoins are pumping front, left, and center. Avalanche trades around the $9.71 level. We look at Avalanche performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. Is this a good time to accumulate Avalanche? How high can we possibly go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Also look at Avalanche performance against Bitcoin, Avalanche performance against Ethereum, and finally, we look at Avalanche market cap, which sits around the $4.2 billion level. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market has been showing signs of life over the last 1 week. Altcoins are pumping. Avalanche has joined in the party. Avalanche trades at the $9.71 level. We see Avalanche with a market cap of $4.2 billion. A total supply of 463.4 million tokens, and we have 431 million of those tokens in circulation. Avalanche all-time high happened in November of 2021, traded for as high as $146. Right now, it's down bad. It's down 93% from that all-time highs. If you look at Avalanche performance against the US dollar over the years, it's had its own time in the sun. It's also had its own time down in Goblin Town. In 2021, Avalanche was one of the biggest gainers. We saw Avalanche going from as low as $2.81. We saw it pumping to new all-time highs, getting to as high as $147, which represented a 5,000% return in just under 330 days. But for you to get that 5,000% return, guys, you have to stomach big volatility. Big volatility to the downside. The market is very volatile. The altcoin market even more volatile than one can imagine. So for you to get those 5,000% gains to the upside, 10,000% gains to the upside, you have to have balls of steel. You have to be able to stomach big drawdown, because before Avalanche went up to $147, we also saw it dumping by 83% in between that pump. You had to stomach that 83% dump. You had to believe that there was good times ahead, and the market rewarded you for that belief. But then again, we have those times in the market when the market is bearish. We have those times in the market where prices are going low. We have those times in the market where everything looks lost. All hopes are lost. That's what happened in 2022. That's when we saw Avalanche dumping to Goblin Town till it found the bottom in September of 2023. By then, Avalanche was down 93.93% from its all-time highs. The bear market is always where the market gives you opportunity to accumulate. You're playing a game right here, guys. That game is against other market participants. That game is to buy as low as possible. That game is to buy when sentiment is down bad, so that you can sell when sentiment is high, when market participants are euphoric, and when the prices are high. If you look at Avalanche performance since that September of 2023, we had a rally entering 2024. A lot of altcoins had a rally entering through 2024. Avalanche couldn't set new all-time highs. We saw Avalanche pumping by more than 597%, getting stuck around that $62 region since March of 2024. Avalanche has not been able to rally past that $62 region. We have slowly but systematically dumped back aggressively to Goblin Town. For Avalanche, it's gone from that $62. We have found our way back towards the $8 region, which means Avalanche lost 86% of its value. But then again, the market is giving us another opportunity to buy Avalanche at very cheap prices. Remember, guys, this altcoins was trading around the $9.7 level way back in 2020, way back in 2021, and way back in sometimes in June of 2022. Historically, this has proven to be a good buying opportunity. If you look at Avalanche price history, we have seen strong reactions around the $8 to the $9 region. And I believe this time is not different. The bears believe we're going to dump to Goblin Town. The bears believe we're going to break down, maybe heading towards zero. But I'm very bullish, guys. I expect Avalanche over the next few days and the next few weeks to make a move to the upside. Now, we're not going to have a straight line pump to the upside. There's going to be some difficulties along the way for Avalanche. We might see Avalanche getting to as high as that $35 level and getting rejected. We saw it pumping there in September of 2022. We got rejected at that $35 level, so don't be shocked to see Avalanche having some huge reactions at that price region in the future. If we rally above $34, the $34-$35 region, there's still some higher prices where Avalanche might face some difficulties. One of those higher prices will come in around the $55 level. We might see Avalanche getting stuck there. Avalanche has tried to rally above $55 since early 2024. We succeeded once. Went above $55, got $60, got rejected. We tried again in late 2024 without any success. So I'm not going to be shocked to see the $55 level prove to be difficult for Avalanche. The big one will be the previous all-time highs, which is around $147 from where we're currently trading right now. For Avalanche to make a move towards that all-time high, we need to see a big pump to the upside. We need to see Avalanche give us around 1,400% pump move to the upside, around a 14x return from where we are currently trading. Historically, all coins have done that. Historically, Avalanche has even done that. Look at what Avalanche did in the late part of 2021. It went from as low as $9 in June of 2021, and by the time we got to November of 2021, Avalanche was already trading at $148. So it took 126 days for it to give us a 1,500% pump to the upside. How long will it take this time? Only the markets will tell. Only time will tell. Our own job is to buy low and hope for the best. If you want to buy some Avalanche for yourself, you can do that on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Avalanche right there. If you look at Avalanche performance against Bitcoin, it tells a very wonderful story. Avalanche has been dumping to Goblin Town against Bitcoin since the top came in for it in 2021. Since then, we've seen Avalanche dump by more than 95% against Bitcoin, back to prices where it was trading in December of 2020. But I'll not be shocked, guys, to see Avalanche having a counter trend rally against Bitcoin. I'll not be shocked to see Avalanche outperforming Bitcoin over the next few days and the next few weeks. Historically, the altcoin market, you should have crazy pumps at the end of a market cycle. I personally believe we're getting to that point where altcoins are going to pump aggressively. Avalanche is going to be one of those altcoins to also lead in the party. Historically, when market participants are excited, when market participants see altcoins start outperforming Bitcoin, they start flipping their Bitcoin to the altcoin market, and you see these Bitcoin valuations of these altcoins start skyrocketing. If you look at Avalanche performance against Ethereum, similar price action. The only time Avalanche was cheaper against Ethereum has been way in December of 2020. That was just before Avalanche gave us one of the biggest pumps we have seen in its price history. So I believe that will also happen. 100 to 300% pump for Avalanche against both Bitcoin and Ethereum could easily be around the corner, could easily catch a lot of market participants off guard. If you look at Avalanche market cap, it sits around the $4.2 billion level right now. We've seen Avalanche market cap go higher than that. The all-time highs for Avalanche market cap sits around the $32 billion level. We got there in November of 2021. In 2024, the two times Avalanche tried to rally to higher prices, we got stopped out at the crucial point in time. We got stopped out around that $22 billion level. So I'll not be shocked to see Avalanche having some difficulties there as we rally to higher prices. And that key level to watch out for will be around the $15 billion region. But right now, with Avalanche at $4 billion, don't be shocked if the next few days and the next few weeks, you start seeing it pump to higher prices. You start seeing it making a move to the upside. For us to get to new all-time highs, we need to see around more than a 700% pump to the upside for Avalanche. Sentiment is down right now in the cryptocurrency market. Pessimism is at the all-time high. Historically, that has been a good time to buy. That has been a good time to accumulate, getting ready for the future pump. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Avalanche trades around the $9.72 level with a market cap of $4.2 billion. Are you buying more Avalanche right now? How high do you see Avalanche going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.